Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another quick installation video. It's the Midland radio that I'm going to install. I've done a lot of research. There's CB, there's FRS, and there's ham radio. There's all sort of things. I went with the Midland GMRS. This is basically a two-way radio. It's 15 watts, which means you would need a license for this. It's 15 channels with 8 repeater channels. It has a speaker jack. This particular model is MXT275. The reason I went with this one is a couple of reasons. It's longer range and it's tuned out of the box. I don't have to do the fine tuning or anything like that, like you need to do with the CB. You know, the antenna has to be a certain way and they need to do a lot of fan tuning. I couldn't deal with that, so I wanted something. The downside of this, of course, you need to get a license, but I guess it's good for 10 years. It covers the entire family. It does cost about $70, don't quote me on that. But the unit itself is very easy. So this is basically what comes in the box. You get a microphone that has a Ethernet connection, RJ45 connection that gets connected to the main unit. This main unit could be in the glove, anywhere in your cabin, and it has a power source. You connect the antenna to it. That's it. This comes with this antenna. It's a small antenna. It comes with it. It's already part of the package you get, and then of course this is the power source that comes with it. But I changed the antenna. I went with a more enhanced one I can again about 6 decibels, right? So it's more enhanced, bigger, and then of course with that I also got their specific cable for it. I'm thinking of mounting this on my roof rack up on top. This one, I'm just gonna keep it away. So yeah, really excited. So should be very easy installation. Just need to find a spot for this. I think I'm gonna do it close to the passenger seat and then run the cable. But the one other thing I ordered to mount this one was the mounting bracket that goes on the tubular bar. The rack I have is tubular, so I'll show you that in a second. The unit also comes with this sticky phone holder, or the microphone holder, so you stick it somewhere to the dash. But I went ahead and got a heavy duty Amazon special mount that I'm going to mount with the handle on the passenger side and then mount it here. Just wanted to point out that if you decide to order the bigger antenna, the enhanced antenna, you want to make sure that you order the cable with it, because otherwise it will not come with the cable. It's a specific cable about I don't know about the 6 meters. You want to make sure you order that if you're ordering this antenna or the stubby antenna. Yeah, I think I'm going to install it somewhere around here. It's out of the way. If you make the seat backward and forward, it shouldn't hinder it. And then I'll just run the cable, the power cable, either here or over there, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I like this spot. Let me go ahead and mount the plate in here. It's not going anywhere. All right, this part is done. Now let me go ahead and mount this jack, or the mount here for the microphone. Yeah. Pretty sure this is supposed to go on this side, but I don't need it. Okay, that's it. Let me try the microphone on it. Perfect. It's right here. And this is the power cable. So before the power cable, let me go ahead and connect the antenna. Let me show you the bracket I got and where I installed it, and then we'll run the antenna cable somewhere around here, connected here. So this is the bracket, 2 pieces. It just kind of clamps this bar in between, right? Sandwiches that bar in between, and then you mount the antenna here. So it will sit somehow like this. I like this area. This is out of the way from the awning, from when I open the tent and deploy the window. It's out of the way, and then I can just simply run the antenna wire right here and then connect it over there. And this is the cable, basically. This is the cable that comes with it. So let me go ahead and make the connection, and then I'll run the cable. All right, this is the wire that's coming directly from the antenna. I guess this is by far the hardest part of the installation because you have to go through the firewall and bring it here. I have some slack there. I need to find a way for it. So it's coming out down there, and then I ran it here, you know, just behind the carpet down here and over here. So like I said, there's some slack extra wire that I need to hide, and I'll do that later. But for right now, let me just go ahead and connect it and power it on. All right, and the last thing is to connect like so. Now I have this outlet here. I can go ahead and use this one, but what I'm going to do is probably run it here and make connection in the console. There we go. It's ready. Alrighty, this is it. This is the end of the installation. I'm going to clean up the wire that's coming down there, and yeah, looking forward to using this on the trails. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.